In this video, we're going to answer two questions. The first question we're going to answer is, which angle is corresponding with angle THV? Then the second question we're going to answer is line segment SL parallel to line segment VC by using the angle measures to figure out if we have evidence that they are parallel or not parallel. So first of all, which angle is corresponding with THV? So it's located in the upper right of this intersection. So then corresponding is in the same position. So this is angle HAS or SAH. So to answer this question, which angle is corresponding with angle THV? We can write angle SAH is corresponding. Good. Now we got to figure out if the line segments are parallel. To do that, we want to fill in the angles at each intersection. If the intersections match and are exactly the same, then the lines are parallel. Okay, so let's figure out how much is angle SAH right here. Well, we know that angle LAH is 120. So let's subtract 180 minus 120 and get 60 degrees. So that tells us that angle SAH is 60 degrees. If we fill in the rest of the diagram, we have 120 here, linear pair with 60. And we have 60 degrees here, linear pair with 120. This intersection is done. Now we see these corresponding angles are the same, and that's a clue. Let's fill in the other angles and see if our instincts here are correct, that maybe these are parallel. So again, we're subtracting from 180. In this case, 180 minus 60 is 120. So we know that angle THC is 120. And then we can go vertical with that angle, and we know that angle VHA is 120 degrees. Then finally, we know that angle CHA is 60 degrees because it's vertical with this 60, and it's a linear pair with these 120s. Now, if we look at the two intersections, we see, yes, our intersections match. They're exactly the same angle measures. So that means that line segment SL is parallel to line segment BC. Yes. And we can say that's because corresponding angles are congruent. For example, in the upper right, our angles are congruent. Corresponding angles are congruent. For example, in the lower right, our angles are congruent. Easy.